Hello guys, what's up? Recently I found a issue in Windows search, that is when I'm searching for a new app that I have installed. Let's say I have installed recently Putty. When I'm searching for it, like when typing PUTTY, then now it's appearing. Now previously it's not in the search results. So the native apps are shown, but the recently third party apps that we have installed in recently are not shown in this search result. So, and I have a solution for that, and I figured it out how to solve it. So now I'm gonna tell you that what the way. So let's get started. So this problem only occurs for newly installed apps. All programs or built-in apps doesn't affect by this issue. So if you are also facing this issue and newly installed app program and apps are not showing in the start menu, just follow this simple steps. Go to your start menu and type background apps. Go to background apps. Then you background, choose which apps can run in the background. Click it and go to it. And in here you can see this option is enabled. The issue is because of this option is disabled. uh, when I found this one, that was already enabled on my PC also, but what I have done is I have disabled this one again and enable it, so it suddenly fixed my problems. So yeah, that was the case. So hope you guys found this useful, and hope this one will fix your problems. Yeah, cheers.